I'm about to eat the Fireball. I've never had. Well, I've had one of these, but I'm nervous. Oh, I'm super nervous. It's already spicy and I haven't even bit into it.
I don't think you're supposed to bite into it.
Oh.
If you need to spit it back out, you can.
It does not taste good.
Look at it now. Is it spicy?
Not yet. I have it in my cheek right now.
In case she needs it.
My cheek is on fire.
Say, Mama dared him to eat a Fireball. Didn't I?
Yeah.
You need to spit it out.
No.
You gonna tough it out?
Tough it out until I have to. It's in my cheek right now. How spicy do you think this is?
It's been a long time since I've had one.
No. No.
Oh my gosh, you got it all over.
It looks like blood!
Is it still recording?
Yes. Oh no.
The goldfish may help too. Right, I think the people in the video get the idea.
They don't get it.
Okay, you can pause it. Just pop it.
Guys, is my tongue red? Or orange? It's red. It's red.